There are literally B2B businesses out there making $20,000, $50,000, or even more than that every month by signing clients from YouTube. You see, the majority of agencies are stuck at doing cold email, cold calling, paid ads, and that's why that small portion of B2B businesses who focus on building a YouTube presence can absolutely dominate their competition. Not only do they get a consistent flow of booked calls and clients from their YouTube videos every month, but all of their other marketing channels that they use get better results. Like if you do cold email, for example, the people who see your emails will search up your name, find your YouTube channel, and after watching your videos, they will trust you instantly much more. The prospects who see your ads, same thing. Now, I've worked with B2B businesses making $30,000 per month, $50,000 per month, or even more, helping them scale with YouTube. And in this video, I will show you the exact system you can use to sign B2B clients predictably from YouTube. Let's dive in.
So as I explained in the intro, most B2B businesses rely on either cold emails, cold calls, paid ads, or LinkedIn content. Like these are the most usual stuff. Also, there are other like marketing channels, but these are the most common ones. And very few of your competition is doing YouTube, at least the right way. Many, B2B businesses upload like YouTube videos here and there. They look really amateur. There's no like real strategy behind it. But, the B2B businesses that are doing YouTube the right way, there are very few of them. And that's exactly why it's a big opportunity for every B2B business, basically. Now, an average B2B sales cycle can go from 10 days anywhere to like 90 days or even more than that. Prospects don't just like see you, book a call, and buy from you right away. That's not how it works in the B2B world. Obviously, you already know that. They usually go through all of your socials, they consume your content on multiple platforms, and after like a couple of months of following you, they decide to book a call. Obviously, there are exceptions where it happens right away, but that's just the usual sales cycle. Now, YouTube can not only shorten that sales cycle, but it can also make it much more effective. So much higher percentage of the people that get into your ecosystem will actually convert. How this happens is that no matter where people find you from, so like they can find you from cold email, LinkedIn, ads, or even like YouTube itself, one way or the other, they will search up your name, find your YouTube channel. And after that, if the YouTube videos are made in the right way, so speaking to your ideal clients, they will start watching it. And, most likely they will just start binge watching it all because they are valuable. And if they are like actually valuable and high quality, plus also contains social proof, then your YouTube channel will be a nurturing mechanism for your entire marketing. So the process is they find you from all the different like marketing channels and they go on YouTube and it just like nurtures all the people. Like imagine your prospects searching up your name, finding your channel, and they're seeing all those like high quality videos, super valuable, they look super professional, etc. This can literally transform your entire marketing. Now, as I said, you can also attract clients directly from YouTube. That's also a super huge part of the YouTube lead generation system. By creating videos in the right topics, you can position yourself so your ICP automatically finds your videos. That means that you will grow an audience of your ideal clients, book calls, and close people directly from YouTube. So let's talk about the strategy that you need in order to actually implement this. The two main ways to generate traffic from YouTube is first of all the YouTube homepage. The second one is the YouTube search. Now, in your strategy, you want to leverage both because that's how you will get the best results. In terms of YouTube homepage, these will be the videos that the algorithm recommends to people in the YouTube homepage or like in the recommended videos. And your goal when going for the YouTube homepage is to create videos that appeal to your ICP. Obviously, that's like super broad. So let me break down how to do this actually. You first want to focus on your ideal client's problems and desires. Think about it like this. Whenever your ideal client sees one of your videos, they have to be obligated to click on it because you're speaking to their pain points, their desires. And in the ideal world, they will be like absolutely obligated to click on the video. They will feel obligated because they want to know how they can get to their desired outcome, how they can fix their problems. And your video seems to do exactly that. The second one is using popular topics that they care about to get their attention. So this can be pretty niche specific. If in your niche, there's some kind of topic that is super popular, for example, let's say in the business niche, like Alex Hormozy, for example, he's like a pretty popular topic. So like if you make videos, for example, about Alex Hormozy in the business niche, you can sometimes get really good results with that, like just by using his name, because you can get all the attention from the people. Now, to give you a couple of examples, let's say you run a marketing agency targeting SaaS companies. A good video idea can be the best way to market your SaaS in 2025. You focus on their problems. They don't know how to market their business, their desires. They want to know the best way to market their SaaS. And that's what you use for this video. Second one is how Kajabi scaled to 10,000 plus users SaaS success. So like you're taking a pretty popular topic, like I think Kajabi, I'm not, in the SaaS niche, but I think Kajabi is like a pretty popular SaaS in terms of that, like, software industry. And many people talk about it as a successful case study. So you can just make a video breaking that down. And this will obviously garner a lot of attention because Kajabi has a sort of fame and popularity amongst your ideal clients. The second one is YouTube search. So this is huge for B2B businesses. And how it works is that you find search terms your ICP searches for, and then you create videos that rank for those searches. That's super powerful because the results you can get with it is a constant flow of your ideal clients coming to you on autopilot. Like if you're able to successfully rank for these searches, you will get constant traffic for your videos from the right type of people. And this can literally go on for years. Like I just, pasted a screenshot here of one of our videos, and you can see that for over a year, it just has been going up and up and up, ranking the searches, getting traffic. Here's another video just going up and up and up. Actually, it's one of our clients in the B2B niche. So that's like a B2B video. Obviously not like a huge view count, but it's like, as you can see, just like going up and up and up. And you can just imagine like in 1 or 2 years, like how many views and how much traffic this can gather. And imagine just the leverage that you can get if you stack 5 to 10 videos like this, and they go on to perform all for years. Now, how to create these videos that rank in the searches is first you want to use either like vidIQ to find search terms with 60 or higher score, and that's actually the method that I prefer, is to look at competitors and just like find what are the videos that rank well for those people, those competitors, and just try to get inspiration from that. Then you just want to take those keywords that you use for vidIQ or that you got from your competitors, and you want to incorporate those in your video title. And then a huge thing that many people forget about is that you want to make sure that the video is valuable. Like you can optimize the video in the best way possible for SEO and in order to rank the video, but if the video is not actually delivering on its promise and is not valuable, it's not solving a problem, then it will be worthless, like it won't rank. So again, a couple of examples. Let's say you have roofing companies get more clients. First one can be how to generate roofing leads in 2025. You can see that it's 64, the overall score for vidIQ. And that's actually pretty good. So you can see that it has a low competition and medium search volume. So you can probably rank really well for that if you create a high quality video. Another one can be how to hire for your roofing business. You can see that it also has like a 64 score, which is definitely really good. And also like these videos are not exclusive to either like, YouTube search or either YouTube homepage. Like they can be a mix. They can rank for both and they can work for both. These are just the two like main perspectives you want to think about when creating your YouTube strategy and coming up with video ideas. Now the key to signing B2B clients from YouTube will be the targeting. So you don't want to target everyone, only your ideal clients. And many times these will be businesses doing $500,000 per year, $1 million per year, or even like $10 million per year and above. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to stop focusing on views. Chances are your total adjustable market, your TAM, is quite small, especially if you target like these $10 million businesses or even like $1 million businesses. There aren't a lot of them. Like there are a lot of beginners on YouTube. Like that's how you can get millions of views by, targeting everyone. But stop focusing on views if you're a B2B business, because you only want to attract the right type of business into your ecosystem with your videos. And chances are that that pool of ideal clients is actually pretty small. So you can think about this 10,000 views from unqualified people versus 500 views from your ideal clients. Which one you think will be more valuable? Obviously the 500 views from your ideal clients, because that's how you can make money from YouTube. Now, how do you target the right audience? First, you want to focus on their pain points and desires. I've already talked about. Then you also want to create content that is valuable for them. So again, like create content where you solve their problems, not beginners' problems, not other people's problems. You want to focus on their exact like problems and provide value and provide solutions for those. And one trick also is to just avoid beginner language. So like in your videos, you don't want to include like ... guide for beginners or how to go from zero to something. Like you want to target people that are already at a certain level, your ideal clients. So like this can look like, for example, if you target businesses over $50,000 per month, you can say that how to go from $50,000 per month to $100,000 per month, or just an example. Hopefully that all makes sense. Now, in every video, you need to send viewers down your funnel. You can do this by making a call to action at the end of the video for either booking a call or getting your lead magnet, depending on which funnel you use for your business. And once you start stacking videos and getting traction, you will start seeing a consistent flow of leads coming from YouTube. And if you did the previous steps right, those leads will be qualified and already nurtured. One really big benefit of YouTube that I've already touched on in this video is that you will also be able to use these YouTube videos as sales assets throughout your funnel. You can include those YouTube videos on your website, website, you can put it in your newsletter, you can share it on your socials, etc. There are literally endless possibilities, and you can incorporate it throughout your entire funnel to use them to build trust, give value, and overall just make more money. How do you actually implement this? Now, this is the exact strategy you can use to leverage YouTube as a B2B business and dominate your competition. But implementing this is obviously easier said than done. You need to come up with the entire content strategy, produce the videos. So I'm talking about the thumbnail, the editing, etc. And you also want to stay consistent. You're obviously a business owner whose time is worth a lot, so you wouldn't do all of this yourself. So if you don't want to hire and manage a full YouTube team of 2 to 4 people, that's how big a beginner YouTube team is usually for businesses, then click the first link in the description to book a free call with me. We've had multiple B2B businesses scale with YouTube and got results like this. Here's a screenshot for one of our clients booking 4 calls from his first video. Here's also another screenshot where one of our clients re-engaged an old client by sharing a YouTube video on LinkedIn. That's why I was talking about using YouTube videos as sales assets. And here are also a couple of screenshots of videos in the B2B niche that we created for our clients. You can also check out more results and testimonials on our website. So yeah, book a call down below and we'll talk soon. Bye.